Hey there. So we've got a update for you. We have got one side of the garage all cleaned up. All of the French cleats are mounted. All of the tools are all tidy, and it's getting close now that we'll just throw a few other little bits and bobs to the side, and CooperRSR, here we come. So let's have a look at everything. So how about that for cleanliness, eh? French cleats all over the place. As we showed you before, our portable DeWalt tools, batteries, charger, French cleats for holding our clamps, our saw, our blower, more clamps, spring clamps, and there we go, work towel for it, and you know, in there, the necessity of everyone that works in the garage, some band-aids, and we have our racks that maybe have to get sorted out a little bit. But you'll notice this is supposed to be for standing on, and to make life a little bit easier for you. But I thought that this would be an ideal finish for the bench here. The reasoning behind it is, if I ruin this, it's all held together by these dovetails and a little bit of carpet tape under here. But you just pull one out, cut any mods that this one has, and replace it. So actually this was bought from our local store, the Canadian Tire store, and it was like 19 bucks for the 4 tiles, and I could not match that on Amazon, even though I looked very hard. So since we've seen you last, we've actually just went and made a little place to go and hold our portable vacuum. Somewhere to store my, I don't know what you actually call it, for holding all your pens and papers and stuff. So that we got our air tools and magnets. Magnets, just the perfect thing to go and hold these tools up, so I never need to look at it. Just a little tray in above it for the what do you call it? I don't know. Not thinking too good today. It's been a long week. And just some blades and stuff for the other tools. Ah, that's what I was looking for. And we've gone and used another magnet just to go and hold our Smart Tool digital level about it. Fitted up a fire alarm or smoke alarm, and it's just put up there with some Velcro. And now we've got all of our miscellaneous metals all stored away in here, so no more looking underneath the bench. And I think that's us, that we've more or less got it. I'm really happy with the way things are. It's supposed to be a nice weekend. We will be tidying some of this other stuff away. Some of it will go in the space that we have gained under the bench. Some of it's going to go in the shed. And some of it's going to go in the back of the truck for the dump. So there we go. We are going to be, we're actually talking to somebody about doing something really cool on storage, tool storage for the toolboxes. So we'll keep you updated as soon as that actually happens. And all I can say is have a good weekend and have fun and keep the shiny side up. Remember to go and subscribe to Motorworks Garage and watch for more updates.